teachers, and all my dear brothers and sisters. Today, we the students of class 8A are going to represent a short skit on happiness over wealth and success. I would like to call my friend to narrate the skit.
Anjali, I have been noticing them since morning. They are sitting like statue.
They are not talking to each other. The weather is also very hot.
Who they can be?
I don't know. They look like strangers.
Should we talk to them? Do you have any problem?
Let's go.
Excuse me, do you have any problem? Why are you sitting like that? You'll come to my home with me.
I will feed you sweets and eat together.
You can stay at our home.
We will definitely go with you, but there is a problem. Only one of us can go with you.
Why? What is the problem?
She is wealth. If you take her with you, you will become rich and live a luxurious life. You will never face a money problem. She is success. If you take her with you, you will achieve success in every sphere of life. And I am happiness. If you take her with you, there will always be happiness, love and peace in your home. So you have to decide now which one you want to take home.
Okay, let me discuss it with my friend. I want wealth. You know, money is very important. I want to buy a mobile, car, home. So let's take wealth.
No, happiness is a better option.
Now let's go.
Tell me, what is your final decision? Whom do you want to take home?
It is very difficult to decide. We are totally confused, but finally we have decided to take happiness to our home.
Why?
Because happiness is the only thing we can't buy with wealth and success. I know many people who have a lot of money and success, but they are not happy with their life. They live hectic and tense life. Quarreling is common in their life. That's why we have decided to choose happiness.
Okay, I will go with you.
Why are they coming with you?
You have chosen happiness, so where there is happiness, wealth and success comes together.
Wow, that's great. We all are together now. Now I'd like to call my friend Amir Khurshid for the conclusion.
As we come to the end of our morning assembly, I, Amir, on behalf of Class 8A students, would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our principal, Father Nicodemus, for giving us this opportunity. Secondly, I would like to thank all of you I would like to thank our class teacher, Sir Jerome Kiro, for helping and guiding us throughout this program. Thirdly, I would like to thank all my classmates for their cooperation and teamwork. Lastly, I would like to thank all of you for listening to us so patiently and obediently. Thank you once again and have a good day.